It's laundry day. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we are doing some laundry today, so let's go ahead and get into it.
Late at night in the dark, at least when I'm not with you, it's like without you I just fall apart.
First, I got to take out this one load that I did the night before. It was the kids' clothes. I will fold it after I start one load, so I have that going.
'Cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive,
It has been so cold lately. I don't know where you guys are from. Any of you guys from a very cold place like me? We are in Nova Scotia, and you guys, it is not a lie. They told me that they get a lot of snow, and as I'm doing this voiceover, it is snowing outside. We have about 12 inches of snow, so that is a lot. It's just all white outside. It looks beautiful, but it is not cute to be in. So I hope you guys are staying warm wherever you guys are. As much as I try to stay on top of laundry, I always have that one load I forget, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. You guys, last week there was a load I forgot in the washer 3 times. I had to rewash it so many times, and once it hit me how much I'm wasting the soap and the scent boosters, I was like, okay, maybe I need to remember. I had to set a reminder for me to go put the clothes in the dryer. So I just wanted to share that in case any of you guys have ever felt bad about forgetting one load. Just remember, I've forgotten the same load 3 times in the washer, and it was so stinky. So lesson learned.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah, girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah, put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out. The shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. You got something If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside again.
I like to air dry some of our clothes, especially like our dress clothes. I don't like to shrink them in the dryer, so I like to hang them. And this little thing, you guys, has fallen apart so many times. When we moved, we came with a missing piece. I don't know what happened. I have no clue how one piece went missing, but it's missing, and it makes it so unstable. So when I put too many clothes on there, it just collapses.
Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you, I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away. Get up, do it, break away. Get up, do it, break away. It's always mixed emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way.
If you are new and you enjoy these kind of videos, please consider subscribing and show this video lots of love by hitting that thumbs up button, and make sure you have your notifications on so you know when I upload.
This is beautiful, yeah. About time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be, yeah. Get out, do it, break away. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you, I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away. I'm too blind to see in a different view. It's getting to me, yeah. Don't know how to move. All I seem to do is to love and leave. Like when it's going good, it's not meant to be. All I seem to do is to love and leave for good. And now I'm losing my mind, about to lose it all. If I don't make it right, I'ma fall apart. I'll lose it all. 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 When something's in the air, I tend to hold my breath. So if you come too close, I might end up dead. All I seem to do is to love and leave. Like when it's going good, it's not meant to be.
One thing that I like to do while I'm putting clothes away in the drawers, I'll check to see if there's something that needs to be refolded or something that needs to be organized, especially the kids' drawers. You know, they like to go in there and choose their own clothes, so they'll mess it up a little bit. So while I'm putting away laundry, I take a little bit of my time and just fix the drawers a little bit, just so that not everything gets out of control, and then I'm gonna have a bigger job on my hands.
I'll lose it all. I'll lose it all. I'll lose it all. Hang on, I'm trying. I'll get there in time. Hang on, I'm trying. I'll get there. And now I'm losing my mind, about to lose it all. If I don't make it right, I'ma fall apart. I'll lose it all. I'll lose it all. I'll lose it all. I'll lose it all. I'll lose it all.
And now back in the laundry room so I could transfer the towels into the dryer. This was my last load, so I was quite happy because it did take me almost all day. I was just going up and down between the kitchen and the laundry room today, but I'm so happy that I got all the laundry done. It gets dark so early, so I was quite happy to just make sure that I still had some kind of light to film, or else it would have just looked like it was 9 p.m. and really it was like 4:30.
We're only going down. Now where do we go from here? Tell me, where do we go from here? Show me. All I need is directions, 'cause I'm feeling the pressure. Where do we go from here? My thoughts inside are all over the place, like I am drowning. All the voices are messing with my head, and I keep on stumbling. You're running out of sight, and I'm fading in and out. We're only going down. We've been here for a while, and I'm losing track of time. We're only going down. Now where do we go from here? Tell me, where do we go from here? Show me. All I need is directions, 'cause I'm feeling the pressure. Where do we go from here? Are we only going down? 'Cause still need you by my side. All I need is directions, 'cause I'm feeling the pressure. Where do we go? Where do we go from?
I'm so happy that you could join me today. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. And I really hope that you got some cleaning motivation and some laundry motivation out of this. This is your reminder that if you have a load of laundry in your dryer or in your washer that needs to be taken care of, go ahead, girl. You can do this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.